Hey, what's going on guys? John Shea here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a PixelScout review. So PixelScout is actually a software that's designed for going out there and doing local business prospecting. Now, many of you are aware of a lot of the things that you can offer for, local business client based marketing services, right? There's SEO, Facebook ads, Google AdWords, web design, and so many other things that you can offer. One of the things that I think a lot of people struggle with right now is going out there and getting clients, prospecting, trying to get those first few clients, in the door and actually working with them. And the guys that created the PixelScout software have actually come up with something pretty creative that you can use to save yourself a lot of time and help you in your prospecting journey. So the way I'm going to lay out this review video is I'm actually going to walk you guys through the sales page, show you what the software does, and then I'm going to walk you through the actual software itself. We'll do a quick demo. And then if you guys decide to actually pick up PixelScout through me and through my links, I'm actually going to throw in not one, but actually 2 bonus courses of mine completely free if you decide to sign up for PixelScout through my link. So stay tuned. You'll see the bonuses towards the end of the video. But first, let's kind of dive through the sales page. I'm not going to go through everything, but I want to give you an idea of what this is all about. So as they state here on the homepage, new software automates the process of finding and signing new clients in any niche, and our clients are paying $500 to $2,000 a month for it. No experience needed, full training below. They have tons of testimonials from people using this. And one of the big opportunities here that they're really kind of riding on is that there's tons of local businesses that are not running Facebook ads. So there's a huge opportunity here that, a lot of businesses have been used to hearing about social media or SEO or other things for quite some time, but Facebook is still not relatively new, but it's something that a lot of people haven't taken the time to utilize as an opportunity. And there's still just this massive, massive opportunity to be using this because everybody's on Facebook, right? Like, I don't have many friends or many family members even that are not using Facebook. So to give an example of how this software is going to be an advantage to you is that if you could go out there and find business owners that simply don't have Facebook pixels on their website, it means that there's a huge opportunity that they're missing out on. Generally, this Facebook pixel being installed on their website allows you to utilize some of Facebook's features around retargeting. So I'll give you an example, right? I have a chiropractic business that I worked with. I built them a website and I installed a Facebook pixel on their site. Now, normally a visitor might visit their website and maybe they'll call them, maybe they'll book a service, but let's just say they leave and they don't end up coming back. And now they're just kind of forgotten about that chiropractor. Maybe they were looking at their website on a Sunday, they weren't open, they didn't call them. It's kind of out of sight, out of mind. Tuesday, Wednesday rolls around. Imagine they're scrolling their Facebook news feed, and all of a sudden now they're seeing an ad from that chiropractor that's saying, "Hey, do you want to come in for your first chiropractic adjustment? $27. We'll get you in the door and get you your initial X-ray, all that good stuff." This is a great way to kind of reinitialize a marketing opportunity with people who previously visited your website. Now, not only that, but you can also run ads to all the people in the local area and take advantage of that retargeting on top of that. So this kind of goes through some of the options here. Businesses will literally pay $1,000 to $4,000 a month for services like Facebook ad management. And you could even come in and offer them additional services like web design, SEO, AdWords, some of the other things that additionally these businesses need. So I don't want to go through every single thing here, but there's a ton of stuff on this page. So I highly recommend you guys check out the sales page yourself. And I really want to get into the demo of how this works because I know that's what you guys really want to see. Before I do that though, I did just want to lay out some of the pricing options they have. And they're going to have some early bird specials on this. And it's pretty much obvious the best option for you would be to go at the $47. This basically is going to give you up to 900 searches. Now, if you could spend $47, go out there and get one client for $500 out of these 900 results, I mean, you're going to make more than 5 times your money back, right? So that would be how I'd look at this. Don't feel like, oh, it's limited, like I don't only 900 searches, or even if you went with this one for 300, there's no reason you can't go and get a client from those small amount of results that you're going to be able to go out there and get. So let me walk you through kind of a demo here. So I'm actually logged into a public JV account that they allow us to use just to show this off. And basically what this allows you to do is come in here and search for a keyword. So an example would be plumbers, and then you add in a city. So plumbers in Dallas, Texas. And this will come back and give us a whole wide range of results. I'm actually going to open this in another tab, and I want to do a search. So we'll do something local. I'm going to do electrician, if I can spell electrician in, and we'll do begin search. Well, actually, they've limited me on the credits, so unfortunately, I'm going to just have to utilize. I mean, there's plenty of results in here we could take a look at. So you could see basically the keyword that was typed, how many results were found, whether or not a pixel was found, what local area we're in, and the date that this was searched. Now, if I come in here, you have this little folder. So I can click on this folder, and it's going to give me all these different results. So beyond the Facebook pixel data, I now have a little bit more information. So this was a business that found, here's their website. They do have SSL installed. They do not have Facebook Open Graph or any of the Open Graph settings. That's something that you could utilize that will display more information in Google. They do have analytics installed. They did not seem to find a Google Maps location, and they do have schema markup, which is something that will help with their identification of the website. And then you have contact emails as well as possible phone numbers, a contact page, which is really awesome that they actually pull that data. That's super huge. And they even found the Facebook report. Now, what you can do with this data is, granted, you've got some basic stuff to go on here. You can come in and click this Create a Report button, and you can see it pulled up the 2 emails it believes it found. I can put in my email subject here, type my email in this box. You've got some short codes, and you basically go in here and you can connect this with Gmail, Outlook, or connect your own SMTP account. You've got some optional settings, so like when the client clicks on like how to resolve the issues, you could send them to a unique URL. If they fill out a form that you send, you can have them redirected somewhere specific of your choice. You can do different templates. They've got like some default and bigger like report theme templates that you can come in here and use. And then you can also save your own email templates here that if you want to reuse these, maybe you're going out and contacting a bunch of dentists, you could reuse these numerous times. So this is pretty powerful. And again, as you start to go in here, you can come in and easily just switch between the clients. If we click on Preview Report, this is basically going to show them all the different things that are being sent to them. So you've got, hey, your website doesn't have a Facebook pixel. Hey, you are good with SSL. You're good with Google Analytics. But basically, it's going to find some of the things that aren't being found. And then it's going to go through and explain, how do I resolve this stuff? And if they click on this link, you could send them somewhere custom. By default, you could have them go to a form and maybe just get in touch with you. So very, very easy. You could send out a ton of these and now start getting people interested in going, well, I see there's a problem. I need to get this resolved. How do we get this resolved? Get them on the phone, send them back an email, and then talk about selling them your services. Now, some other features that this has is there's also a Google Scout feature. So you can figure out whether or not they actually have a Google Maps listing. And you can see there's giving me a ton of data for all these different listings, websites, whether or not they've got the SSL, all kinds of different things that you could focus on here. And you've also got a search for yellow pages. So this is also pretty powerful. If you want to search around yellow pages and see if they've got any data in here, you can find additional information as well from people that are listed on yellow pages, which in a lot of cases, some of these companies are paying yellow pages a lot of money and they're not really getting a lot of great service out of that opportunity. So here's another great place that you could be searching for businesses that need your help. Then you've got, of course, a specific pixel checker. So if you just want to throw in a website, you can basically throw this in and then get the data back instantly, and that'll give you a good kind of layout of what's going on with the companies you've added into the pixel checker. You've also got your reports, again, that we've run. You'll see any of the saved reports that you've sent for your clients. Beyond that, it's just basic settings, authorizing email, your identity, sending. They do have some white label capabilities that they'll be adding in. Your profile information, anything in terms of setup here, this is all set up through like a WordPress dashboard. And beyond that, you do have some training videos that you could check out. So they have a ton of training on this. They've got Facebook ad training, PixelScout training, and if you're looking for niche ideas, you can access this database to actually get a ton of niche ideas. So they're really offering a comprehensive solution between training and software and allowing you to go out there and get your first client. Now, here's for kind of the final giveaway on this. If you guys decide to pick up PixelScout through my link, I'm going to throw in my freelance client mastery course. This course is actually me sharing all the details that's responsible for me earning well over $30,000 online using freelance sites like Upwork. So I break down exactly step by step how you can go through and set up your own Upwork profile and use this as another way to get clients in addition to PixelScout. So if you're going out there and prospecting with PixelScout and then in addition you're going and utilizing Upwork, there's just no way you're not going to be able to go and land clients. I mean, the opportunity is huge. Another opportunity that I wanted to throw you guys is picking up my keyword research course. So for some of you, if you're interested in actually doing keyword research and getting into a little bit more of the technical, working with your clients and doing SEO, maybe you go out there and start running Facebook ads and you upsell them into SEO. This course will explain how to go out there and basically do proper keyword research for helping your clients rank higher on Google. So this is an in-depth, basically 1.5 hour or so course that I put together with my friend Doug Cunnington. It's very comprehensive and it goes through a lot of the general practices around how you're going to be able to do proper keyword research. So again, if you decide to pick up PixelScout through me, it doesn't matter which package you buy, I will throw in those bonuses for free. And again, if you have any questions for me, feel free to leave a comment, reply back to my email if you receive this video in my email. And again, thanks for watching.